We're roughly 4 months away from the big iPhone 16 launch, and we've already seen a glimpse of what's to come. The 16 Pro Max is reported to boast a gigantic 6.9-inch display, the largest yet on an iPhone. Its smaller sister, the iPhone 16 Pro, measures 6.3 inches. The Plus variant measures 6.7 inches, while the standard iPhone 16 has a 6.1-inch screen. As you can see, the non-professional models will have a vertical camera configuration this time, and it isn't only for aesthetics. This move paves the way for spatial video capture, which can be seen in full 3D on Apple Vision Pro. Anyway, the iPhone 16 Pro models appear to be nearly identical, with the exception of a new capture button that senses different degrees of pressure. That means that you will receive even more precise focus and better images while taking photos or recording videos. The 16 Pro models will include a shiny titanium frame, similar to what we've seen on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro will include a 5x optical zoom telephoto lens, which was previously unique to the Pro Max. Meanwhile, the 16 Pro Max will include a 12% bigger main lens sensor for improved dynamic range and reduced noise. Furthermore, it has a new telephoto lens with a focal length of more than 300 millimeters. Under the hood, there's the A18 Pro chip, constructed on TSMC's improved 3-nanometer process, and the most notable feature of this chip is its generative AI capabilities, similar to those seen on Samsung's S24 Ultra, although Apple is taking a different route here. According to Bloomberg, Apple is focusing on local AI processing for the iPhone 16, which may mean that Apple's AI tools are slightly less capable than those found on the S24 Ultra. However, it is not all terrible news. Going local results in faster reaction times and stronger privacy restrictions. Furthermore, it implies that Apple may control which iPhones gain access to such AI features. The latest iPhone have more than enough AI capability for these functions. Therefore, this should not be the case. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.